Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to go over the 1 minute scalping strategy that got me funded in one single trade. The exact same strategy as well, guys. I used to turn $50 into $1,000 on one trade. And in fact, the exact same strategy is over here. I do use in our free group, which the link is in my description. You can join now. If you haven't yet subscribed as well, traders, please do hit that subscribe button right now so you get more videos like this going forward as well. Traders, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now, moving forward, traders, what is the strategy? It's very simple, guys. It's based off volumes, right? So it's based off volume in the market. You need two indicators on your chart and understand that these two indicators are so powerful, traders. It's very easy to use, but highly profitable. What you need to do is go over indicators and search for me STC. That's the first one over here, which is scalp trend cycle. And then you put on your EMA. So you're going to search EMA and you put it twice on moving average exponential, put it twice in your chart. Now, for the first one, you're going to have 8 EMA, and the second one, you're going to have a 14 EMA. And the STC settings 12, 26, 50, 0.5, which is a standard basically. Okay, guys. How it basically works is we're first going to focus on the STC. Right? Reason why STC spots trend reversal. So it's a trend reversal methodology trades. A trend reversal, it spots when the trend is changing. And that is a very, very good thing to do. Right, guys? You want to know exactly when the trend is changing to buy or sell. This is exactly what it's doing. It's telling you exactly when to look for buy and sell. Now, how does it work, traders? It has a green and red color, right? So you can see there, the green is for buy, the red is for sell. Now, how it works is when the color of it changes, that is when you're looking for a trade. So as you can see, it was red all the time and it's a flat bottom like that. I love when it flat bottoms. It makes it a high profitable trade when it does change color, and it's on the 1 minute time frame. So watch how this changes when the candle here basically shoots up. You'll see like that. There you can see a change in the color. The moment the thing changes green, I'm looking for a buy. Now you can look for a buy immediately, but the thing is, for me personally, I've realized to have a higher win rate with it is to use the EMAs on it. So once the EMA as well is broken bullishly, which is basically above the EMA, like that, when it breaks above the EMAs over there, now I'm looking for the buy. So where do you look for the buy, Shaquille? I will suggest a buy on the retest of a EMA, and you're taking it for a 1:4 minimum. But me on this specific trade, I called literally a 1:10 traders. I'm gonna show you guys. So patiently waiting. Right over here was the entry. So there you can see market retested over there. That is the time when I got in for a buy. My stops was literally below over there at the low of that trend, and I was taking it up for a 1:9, close to 1:10 basically. You'll see that right now. That's it over here, 1:10, like that. Okay, guys. And what should happen with this trade? There you guys go. There you go. I see literally the market shut up. The market shot up through the roof for 1:10, and that was amazing traders. Super, super amazing trade over here. Now, this is the exact same strategy I use, guys, to literally get funded within one single trade in one single day. What an easy strategy like this. Now, I'm gonna do a few more examples for you guys, but before I go any further, guys, if you haven't yet dropped me a thumbs up, I will appreciate it, and the comments are open for your feedback. Let's continue. Let's do a few more examples for you guys. Let's go further. Now in example number two, so I'm gonna do two buys and two sells just to show you guys how it actually works. Let's go into the buy. Now first steps is to see, we can see it's flat bottom like that. Amazing when the 1 minute time frame. It's at the bottom of a trend literally coming down from a massive push down, and we're looking for a push basically up, right? A pullback. All we're waiting for is the STC to change green, and then that will confirm basically for us to look for buy. There we can see it changed green. That's the candle. Now I'll put this down and then put on my EMAs immediately after that. Now as you see right there, market is breaking, not as clear. Maybe you want a clear break of the moving average as well. There you can see market is not yet fully clear. It looks like it's retesting, but I want a full break, right? I want a full break to the upside. And then there we go. That is a nice break to the upside. Now the next step of that is looking for a retest back onto the EMA, and then I'm looking for the buy up. Now guys, with this methodology, I'm looking for a 1:4 to 1:10 That's my risk to the ratio. Gives me a higher reward back with less risk. So on the retest of the EMA, I'm gonna get in with my stop literally going below that low over there, targeting a 1 to 10. So now let's see what has happened. I see I didn't get the entry over here. I got the entry right over there. And my stops will be still at the low over there. Still going for 1 to 10. So let's see if I get the 1 to 10 traders. And at that point, you read up in profits. So we're waiting to see if it's going to go all the way back up over there. Let's see if we're going to achieve our target point. And as you can see, traders, we literally achieved a 1 to 10 and even more than 1 to 10. Since we achieved more than 1 to 10, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, join the free group, the link's in the description. Now, I want to show you guys two more examples for sales, just to show you guys how it works. And again, let's move on to it. Right here, I have example number 3 for a sell. Okay, guys, I'm sure you guys, you can see it's flat bottoming over here. Move average still below it. Now I need to see a change on basically the STC. So I want to see a basically impulse to the downside like that. Nice push to the downside. Then I want to see if my moving averages was broken as well. Now let's look at that. It was broken there. You can see a massive impulse out there. What I want to then wait for is a retest onto it. And then I'm looking for a trade. So a retest onto it. And then we look for a trade. Okay, guys. So right there, that was a nice clean retest over there, traders. In fact, you can see it came back for it. So let's say you missed that one, you still got in again. Stops would have been over there. And then you're taking it at least, I would say 1 is to 4 minimum. And then you can go for anything more than that. Okay, guys. Let's target a 1 is to 4 and let's see what happens. And as you can see, traders, right over here, market literally dropped down for a 1 is to 4. Very clean. Let's see if it does go any further than that. I want to see if it's actually going to go any further than that. There you go. Market literally dropped all the way down 1 to 7 traders. That is more than enough for a good trade over there. Let's do another example for a sell. Just show you guys that this thing is super, super powerful and you can get your funded literally in one single day if you use correctly. Let's go further. So here's the last example for you guys. As you can see right now, the STC is literally flat at the top, right? We're waiting for a break to the downside. So the market's trailing up. We want to catch a move to the downside. Let's see if there's a change in the market with literally a change of color over here. You're still waiting. And as you see, market with this specific candle changed color right over there. So we put this down. Now we're looking for sells. Let's see if we broke the EMAs as well. Right there, you can see market broke the EMAs. What I'm waiting for is a retest on the EMA traders. You need to have a retest on EMA. Still waiting. Still waiting. You see market is nothing as of yet. You're waiting for a clear retest on the EMA traders. There we go. That was it. So here on this specific EMA VM, your stops could be literally above there or just at the highs like that, which I will do. And you'll take it in for a 1 is to 4 minimum. And let's see what happened after that. Now, guys, you can see this was very amazing. This was a super trade. The market gave 1 is to 4 and went actually all the way to, like you see, 1 is to 14, which is crazy. I want to see if this actually continues all the way down. Oh my gosh, this was a massive trade. This thing went all 1 to 20. Beautiful, right? This is so beautiful, guys. I really can say this is amazing. I think I've really you created something beautiful for you guys to try out, and of course give me feedback. Like I said, the comments are open for your feedback. Please drop me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Also, if you really appreciate the free work I'm doing for you guys, you can feel free to actually buy me a coffee so I have energy to continue making these videos for you guys. That being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my 1 minute scalping strategy that literally got me funded in one single day. And I hope you guys can use it and utilize it and make that profits that you desire. With that being said, traders, from me, Mentor Shigil Sama, I'm signing it and I'll see you guys on the other side. Cheers.